Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Bluestacks Error Code 2004. Chapter 1. How to fix Bluestacks Error Code 2004 updating system. To start, open Start menu and select Settings. After in Windows Update, click on Check for Updates. Wait for it to check if they exist any update to Windows. Chapter 2. How to fix Bluestacks Error Code 2004 checking virtualization. To begin, right-click on the Start menu and select Click on Task Manager. Now in the Performance section, select CPU. At the bottom, check that the virtualization is enabled. Chapter 3. How to fix Bluestacks Error Code 2004 from console. To start, right-click on Start and select Terminal Admin. Now run the command sfc/scano, press Enter. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Wait for the file system of Windows scan ending. Chapter 4. How to fix Bluestacks Error Code 2004 disabling antivirus. To start, in the search box, enter Security. Open Windows Security. After in Virus and Threat Protection, select Manage Settings. After this, turn off the switch Real-Time Protection. Chapter 5. How to fix Bluestacks Error Code 2004 freeing up space. To start, open Start menu and select Settings. After this, in System section, click on Storage. Now click on Temporary Files. After this, check the boxes to delete. When you do, click on Remove Files and confirm clicking on Continue. Chapter 6. How to fix Bluestacks Error Code 2004 reinstalling app. To begin, enter Control in the search box. Click on Uninstall a program. Here, select Bluestacks X. Click Uninstall, select a reason and click Uninstall again. After, select Bluestacks App Player and click Uninstall. Select a reason and click Uninstall to complete this process. After, go to the link that we left you in the video description. Here, download version 5. After, execute the file. Wait for the installation process to complete. Then you will have access to Bluestacks without error. Chapter 7. How to fix Bluestacks Error Code 2004 running as administrator. To start, right-click on the Bluestacks shortcut and select Properties. After, in the Compatibility tab, check the Run this program and as administrator box. Click Apply and OK to apply changes. Open Bluestacks from this shortcut to see your function. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.